A very good morning, children. Let us continue chapter 2 of civics. In the previous class, you studied about Bhimrao Ambedkar. I also told you to read the case study of chapter 2 related to one incident of the childhood of Bhimrao Ambedkar. That incident show the intensity of discrimination against Dalits. But these shocking and shattering experiences failed to break the spirit and determination of young Bhim. He was the first person from his caste who completed college education and went abroad for study. Later on, he drafted the Indian Constitution. So he is called the father of Indian Constitution. He also became the first law minister of India in Nehru's cabinet. The struggle for removal of caste based inequality and for abolition of untouchability gathered momentum during the British Raj. Many prominent personalities, Jyotiba Phule, Sri Narayan Guru, E.V. Ramaswamy Naikar, and B.R. Ambedkar, came to the forefront of the movement. In the 20th century, the national movement became the main propagator of social reform. Mahatma Gandhi coined the term Harijan for untouchables and called for removal of social discrimination against them. When India became free, our leaders were concerned about removing social and economic inequality. Therefore, when the constitution was written, untouchability was abolished. The fundamental rights guaranteed dignity, freedom, and equality to all individuals. Women, children, old people, and minorities are given special protection by the Constitution. The goal of the Constitution makers was that all citizens must be considered equal. Now let us know the meaning of equality. Equality is the right of different groups of people to have a similar social position and receive the same treatment. The Constitution of India provides equality for all citizens. The preamble to the Constitution of India assures that all Indians are entitled to justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. Part 3rd of the Constitution deals with the fundamental rights of the people of India. The first fundamental right that has been guaranteed to every citizens alike is the right to equality, which includes equality before law, prohibition of discrimination on grounds of religion, race, caste, sex, and place of birth, equality of opportunity in matters of public employment, abolition of untouchability, and abolition of titles. According to Article 17, untouchability has been abolished by law, and practicing untouchability is a punishable offense. Everyone has equal rights now. People are free to live as they want to choose their profession or the city of residence, to go any temple, theater, or restaurant. However, despite these constitutional provisions, discrimination and inequality exist in different parts of the country in various forms. So, it is important to understand that in order to be a progressive society, we need to respect diversity and remove discrimination. Embracing and accepting diversity will broaden our outlook and enrich our lives. It is our collective responsibility to strive for removal of discrimination and inequality from our society.